Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Hello, today is Saturday, April the 24th, and I am back with another video. Let's start this video with how is everybody doing? Find a hope, staying safe. If you're getting back to work, let me know how it's going in the comments below. If you went shopping, let me know what you have been up to, because I've been missing you. You should be stalking, hawking, following me. Queen McLean 87, Snapchat. Bad Girl 30, BAADGURL 30, IG. Queen Diva Lifestyle, TikTok. And of course, if you on this channel, get out of them bushes, stop watching and not hit that subscribe button. It's free. Won't cost you a thing. Hit that button. Thumbs up this video so I can give you more and more content. Now, before we get into this video, none of the items in this video are sponsored. They were bought by me, yours truly. Okay? Disclaimer, do not come for me. Maintenance week is coming. I will be dolling it up. Let's get into this video. So, I went on Ulta and I bought the new NXY glosses. I do have some cute little lip combos, but I will tell you what I bought. I will not be swatching them because I actually wear them. So let's get into this, and y'all already know I'm a lip gloss girl. So I bought this one. I don't know if y'all can see that. I forgot the name. Milk It Pink. That's what it is. And then I have this one, which is Cookies and Milk. And this is my favorite. Then I have this one, which is Milk the Cocoa, which is another favorite. And then I have this one, which is Cherry Skimmed. And I ordered them from Ulta. I also ordered this pencil in brown. So, if you want me to do my lip combos, leave it in the comments below. I will. Now, without further ado, let's get into this video. So, I have previously bought items from Scented Bird. This is Gucci Bamboo. This is Prada Candy. This is my smell, my signature. I'm gonna have to order some more in a minute. This is Get a Room. And this is Dolce & Gabbana. Now these are from Scented Bird. These are samples that you get when you order the subscription, and then you can purchase the bottle at a discounted price, any size. So I like this. For a tryout, you get to smell it, and like Dossier, you get to send it back. Now, what I just recently went in I did was I ordered Dossier. Floral Pink Pepper is what this is. I do have the sample, I just don't have the box anymore. So I ordered this one. Then I turned around and I said, that's just one thing. I couldn't have just one thing. So I ordered Floral Lavender. This is the sample that comes in the box. And of course, this is the box and what it looked like. And this is also what comes in the box. The scent. Who is it not all from? I should open them first. And this is Floral Coconut. That's the sample. And I also have the big one. This is Fruit Honey. These things keep dropping on me. That's the sample. And I'll pick them up when I'm done. Come on, come on. And this is Citrus Green Apple. Now, the pros and the cons is these are knockoffs for $29 with sample. So if you do not like it, like Scented Bird, you can send it back, which is cool. Now, for me, if you really want to smell good and you are into expensive perfumes, try Scented Bird. Now, I am a perfume person. I wear Bath and Body Works. I wear all of this stuff. Now, Bath and Body Works is what I wear once I get out the shower, when I'm getting ready for bed, or getting ready for my day. That's when I wear that. But is it worth it? Yes, both brands are worth it depending on what you're looking for. If you're looking for a smell good and not sure and you're trying to pick your scents, Scented Bird is for that, any subscription. So is Dossier, because you can get the sample, use the sample, send it back if you don't like it. But is you really getting your money's worth? No. Yes, you get samples. Scented Bird is a sample before you actually buy the bottle. Dossier, you get both. Excuse me, y'all. Excuse me. But the reason that I say no is because these same scents and this high-end perfume that we shop for, you can find them Walmart, Target, Rainbows. I actually wear Rainbows perfume more than I wear perfume that I spend money on, because their scents are so different and they smell so good, and you just have to find your signature scent is what I'm going to tell you. So I hope this video was helpful. I hope you got your enjoyment out of it. Thumbs it up. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. And until our next video, stay blessed, not stressed. Later, my loves.